everyone! Today, we'll delve into controlling element ratios in Canva, focusing on shapes and images. Let's start by heading to the Elements tab. Search for circle as an example. Add a shape to the page. After placing the shape, click the three dots in the toolbar and select Position. Here, you'll find the option to lock or unlock the ratio, allowing you to control the shape's proportions when resizing. Moving on to graphics, you'll notice the ratio lock isn't available for most graphics. Now, try adding an image. Click Position once more. For images, Canva automatically enables manual ratio locking and free resizing by default. However, this might result in some content being cropped. So, how can we adjust the ratio without cropping content? Navigate to Crop, adjust the image. Click and hold the Shift key while dragging the corners of the original image to resize without cropping any content. Click Done once completed. Finally, adjust the image borders as needed to present the image content fully. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember to like, subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.